kitchen?
Wherever.
Yeah, that one little one, I don't know. I don't think that one has a light bulb in it.
That one?
Yeah, that one does.
Yeah.
That's what, yeah, that's what the light
The
bulb.
second switch there probably controls one of these wall plugs for table lamp. And I got a table lamp if you want one.
Yeah, I've been needing one. I gotta, when I get paid tomorrow, I'll get laundry going in one day. And I get and I got all my papers just about found. I robbed a bag. I just gotta, today I was working on the living room for the air conditioner. I just got into
Yeah, each room has one of the two plugs, I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Probably that one there.
Yeah, there's one right there.
One of them works off of this switch.
Yeah, it's like that in that one room too. You turn the switch
That
and
room has
it'll turn
one.
on the socket.
Most of the older houses are built, well, even some of the newer ones.